So you said there's 9 areas only in our life, and if we master those 9 areas, we're well on our way to having a successful life. I'm interested to know, what are the common mistakes that you see people making that go across all of these 9 areas?
If you look at a table has 4 legs. And unless these 4 legs are in balance, the table just does not perform as a table. What most people do is they go after 1 or 2 or 3 areas which are of paramount importance to them. For example, earn more money. For example, grow their fame. For example, enjoy their relationships. But the other areas have a huge impact on the balance in their life. Now, the balance needs to be understood from the point of view of energy. The energies need to be in perfect harmony and perfect balance for people to be able to take the actions that they need to take, and each area helps and supports the other areas, that when there's a depletion in energy in one of the areas, the other area steps in and it's like a flow. And that nourishing flow is what empowers people to take consistent action, robust action, to produce the results that they are looking for. And these results lead to success which is manifest in the outward world and the experience of success in the inside. And unless there's a balance between the two, it's not sustainable.